Hello, my name is Rui Mercier. I'm working as a volunteer at the Canadian War Museum in Ottawa. Today we're going to talk about the Autocar, a First World War vehicle used by the Canadian. And it's the sole survivor of this era. And the vehicle is actually being restored right now in working condition to be eventually sent to Belgium to take part of the 100th anniversary of the end of the First World War. So right now the volunteers are working on the vehicle to make it run again. The last time that vehicle ran was back in 1967. So we're going through all the main components of the vehicle, making sure that they're up to date, they're in working condition, they're clean, and they can actually sustain the ride. It's going to be about 1 kilometer long during the parade. Okay, right here what we have is the inside, the art of the vehicle itself. Normally you have a platform with the driver being set here, and then you have the co-driver. Right now we removed everything from the inside, and what you can see is actually the engine, which is a 2 cylinders, and you have on top the magneto and the lubricator. This engine has an output of about 50 horsepower and has a front brass downdraft carburetor, and we have the rad that actually sustains some war damage. If you look on top here, you have the fuel tank. If you look at this vehicle that actually saw combat use, there's some war damage or battle damage on it. Exactly where the driver used to sit, there's actually a bullet strike from the German that actually almost penetrated the armor plating. And right now we removed the front part of the vehicle, but there's also some bullet damage that were sustained actual combat.